What's up, everyone? It's Dakota. Welcome back to another video. And I know it's been a while since I've done an unboxing, but today, as you can tell, we're going to be unboxing the red, or whatever color this is considered, PS5 controller. I don't know the exact name or color name. Cosmic Red. Okay, it is Cosmic Red. I wasn't 100% on that because I don't have a PS5, but I've been wanting a controller. I hate using my PS4 controller because it's connected to my PS4, obviously. And plus, I have issues with my PS4 connecting to my PC, so that's what I got this for. Certain games I do still like to play with a controller. So racing games, simulator games, that sort of thing. Even GTA 5, GTA in general, I like it better with a controller. I don't know if that's weird. Let me know what you guys think, but yeah. They had this one in stock and I figured I'd grab it because I wanted it and I wanted it in red. So hopefully one of these days I'll actually have a PS5. Don't know when, but hopefully. I do still plan on getting one. But yeah, let's go ahead and open this up, check it out, and do a little comparison as well, because I do have my PS4 controller sitting here as well, and I just want to see the difference. I have not actually held a PS5 controller at all. I've seen the controller and I've seen the console in person, but I wasn't able to touch it because they were in a display cabinet. But yeah, so this will be my first time actually holding a PS5 controller, so that's kind of cool. Even though it came out forever ago, it seems like. So, got the box open. So there you go. There's a little tab. Slide this out. There's the box. I'll probably keep that box, at least for now, till I know for sure that it works. Holy cow. It's literally a box in a box. Ooh. Ooh. Okay, it's in the plastic. I still can't see it. Of course, you get the little pamphlet thing. It does not come with any cables or anything of that sort, so there is that. We don't need that anymore. And that. So, yeah. Now I got stuff all over my desk. Alright. Let's check this thing out and see what it looks like, alright? Don't tell me it's, like, more pinkish, right? Ooh! Wait. The buttons are red, too? Dude! I didn't know the buttons were red. I thought the buttons were white. That is beautiful. Oh my gosh. I like it. Oh my gosh, this feels more natural. I've been using a 360 controller with my PC, and I don't honestly like how the left thumbstick is like up here, or like opposite. I don't like that, honestly. That's one thing I do like about the PlayStation controllers is they're pretty symmetrical, and so yeah. Here it is next to my PS4 controller, which obviously it is turned on because, well, I accidentally pushed the button, I guess. So this one I have not turned on yet. I don't know what it looks like, but we'll get to it. So I'll give you guys some like up close shots and stuff like that. But holy cow. I definitely like how the PS5 controller feels. It has a nice like texture. I don't know if you can hear that, but it has a nice texture on the back. The PS4 controller has that texture on it, but I don't know, it's a little bit different. It's more noticeable on the PS5, so there's that. So, yeah, pretty freaking cool. Again, I didn't know the buttons had the color on them, but oh my gosh, I can't believe that. That's insane. I like how they gave the little, like it's almost like it's a slice at the bottom, so it's flat, kind of. I like that. I don't know. The black and red, cosmic red, that design is just, I think that might be one of my favorite designs. I do have a red and a blue PS4 controller, but I'm sure you guys know what the red and blue on those look like. It's a regular red and a regular blue. This is a cosmic red, which is a little different. It almost has like a pink to it in person. My camera makes it look a little more red, but it does have a little bit more pink to it. That's the only way I know how to explain it, but yeah, it looks slick. I did try to go on like Scuff and stuff like that and design like a custom controller, and I actually tried to design like a yellow one, but unfortunately Sony does not make a yellow controller, but they do make a red. So I figured to start out, see how I like it, I figured this would be a better option than to spend $200 on that controller. So yeah, that's what I got. There you go. Just a quick little video for you guys, nothing crazy. Again, I didn't want to spend too much time on this. I want this to be a little quicker video. Yeah. It's slightly bigger. It is slightly bigger than the PS4 controller though. I can say that. Like thickness wise, like holding it like back here, it is a little bit thicker. Aside from this little bump right here, but yeah. And also it does not come with a cable, so I do have to get a cable, a USB-C cable, I believe, to charge this and all that good stuff, but I actually have one already, so we should be golden on that. So there you go, guys. Let me know what you guys think. Do you have a PS5? If you do, what's your favorite games on it? And also, yeah, I was gonna ask for recommended games, but kind of hard to do that when I don't have the console, you know? So, yeah, I might be trying this out on stream sometime this week, and throughout the coming weeks, obviously, because, well, it's mine now. I like it, so. Also, if you are new, please subscribe and like the video if you do enjoy it. If you don't like it, dislike it, I do not mind. I just want your honest feedback. Also, be sure to check out my live streams on Twitch. I stream mostly Tuesday, Wednesday, and Friday. Usually I stream on Thursdays as well, although lately it's been intermittent, but Tuesday, Wednesday, Fridays for sure. If you guys ever want to hang out, twitch.tv/Dakota, the O is a 0. There's also a link in the description, first link down below, you guys can check it out. I'd really appreciate it, so. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you guys have a great week, or weekend, whatever day it is for you, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace!